Welcome to Gouda. Today we will embark on a journey to discover this hidden gem. We invite you to join us as we explore this enchanting town. Nestled in the picturesque countryside of the Netherlands, get ready to be captivated by the timeless beauty and rich history of Gouda. Wander through its cobblestone streets lined with charming houses, historical buildings, churches, and quaint shops. Immerse yourself in the welcoming and vibrant vibe of locals, filled with bustling pubs, restaurants, shops, markets, and the stunning landmarks. Gouda Central Market is a lively and bustling market that takes place in the heart of Gouda every Saturday. Whether you're a foodie or a bargain hunter, this market is a must-visit. You can stroll through the market stalls brimming with an array of goods, food and treats, from fresh produce and flowers as well as local delicacies or handmade crafts. You'll find a wide variety of items to explore and discover. Gouda Central Weekend Market offers and a taste of Dutch culture. Here you will find the Gothic style of Gouda City Hall. Let's step inside to discover the interior of the City Hall. The opulent halls are adorned with painting, tapestry, intricate woodwork, and decorative elements that transports to another era. This was built between 1448 and 1459 with natural limestone. The building was officially opened for business in 1450. It is known to be the oldest Gothic city halls, and certainly one of the most stunning buildings in the Netherlands. Beyond its architectural historical significance, Gouda City Hall remains an active administrative building where important decisions are made that shape the future of the city. Nowadays, the main function of the Old Town Hall is to hold official ceremonies such as wedding events. It also has other function halls to hold meetings and seminars. Whether you're an architectural enthusiast, a history buff, or simply seeking a glimpse into the soul of Gouda, a visit to Gouda City Hall is an absolute must. Experience the grandeur and appreciate the timeless beauty of this remarkable symbol of Dutch history. The Gouda Walk is a historic building from 1668, where you can learn the history and the products that were weighed and traded here in the museum. Farmers from the area come to the market with their cheese brim to have their cheeses weighed and inspected as the age-old manner. They also offer a museum visit. On the ground floor, you will find a real museum shop showcasing all kinds of Dutch cheeses and old Dutch souvenirs. The shop offers a diverse selection of Gouda cheese varieties, while the museum provides insights into the cheese-making process and cultural significance of Gouda cheese. It's a must-visit destination for cheese lovers and those interested in the traditions surrounding Gouda cheese. Stas Wandelen Gouda, there's an intriguing demonstration of the old-fashioned method of opening a canal gate. Step back in time, as skilled guides showcase the manual operation of the gate, revealing the traditional techniques and mechanisms used in the past. This captivating demonstration provides a glimpse into Gouda's history and allows visitors to appreciate the craftsmanship and ingenuity of the canal system original design. It's a unique experience that brings the city's heritage to life and offers a deeper understanding of Gouda's historical water management practices.